Hey guys, welcome back. So today what I have is 2 Target beauty boxes for you guys today. Both of these boxes are $7. If you guys didn't know, yes, Target has beauty boxes and they are monthly, but it's not like a subscription service. You just have to kind of get your hands on it when you're able to get your hands on it. So I saw that both of them were available, so I decided to just jump on it. It's one of them is the Beauty, October Beauty, and the other one is October Eyes. I'm guessing that this one here with all like the eyes and the eyelashes is the eyes, and this one is just the Beauty. So when you open it up, it comes like this with its little card, and this one says, "Hello Autumn Grove. Pumpkin spice lattes, apple picking, Halloween. Ladies, the season is changing and so are our beauty to-goes. Looking for a moisturizer that'll help erase the last trace of uneven summer skin? We've got you covered. Searching for hair products that restore sun-damaged strands? Check. Inside this box, you'll find a few of faves that give you your autumn groove back. Stat." All right, so on the back of this, it tells you what's included in the box, and then you also get a $3 coupon, which already that's like almost half of what your box cost, which is awesome. Right, so when you open it up, this is what you get inside, and this one looks like a nice box. All right, first thing in here is from Bliss, and this is a makeup melt, and it says dry, wet, gentle jelly cleanser with rose flower. And this is like a makeup remover cleanser, and I've heard really good things about this brand, so I'm excited to try this out. Let's see if it says anything. It says that this is good for all skin types, especially dry or sensitive skin, and it's free of sulfate, parabens, and other harsh chemicals. And it says it's a unique milky jelly form, and soothing rose flower work gently yet effectively to leave skin clean, clear, and silky soft. Next thing in here is from Tom's, and this is the Tom's Luminous White Toothpaste with Fluoride. And this is an anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste. It's safe for enamel. It's in the mint flavor. And then the little trick that it gives you is that it says shake some baking soda onto toothpaste for a whitening boost. All right. It says clinically proven natural whitening technology removes surface stains for visibly whiter teeth in 2 weeks versus regular fluoride toothpaste. So it's supposed to be better than regular toothpaste. Next thing in here, I'm super excited to have gotten because I love this cream. This is the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, and I'm so happy that I got it in this size because I can take it with me everywhere, even though it doesn't have like a little squeeze or whatever, like a squeezy tube thing. But I love this. This is like the best moisturizing cream ever. I use it for my kids, I use it for me, and it is my favorite one. So I'm happy I got this. Next thing I'm also excited about because I've heard great things of this brand as well. And this is the Love Beauty and Planet. And these are shampoos and conditioners. Shampoo and conditioner. And this is the coconut water and mimosa flower. It says volume and bounty, shampoo, body and strength for fine hair, and acts of love for our planet. So I'm excited. I'm gonna open it to smell the scent. Oh my God, guys, this smells so good. So good. I usually don't like trying different shampoos and conditioners than what I use because my scalp is always like, whenever I change from my Vichy, it just runs amok, it goes crazy. But I'm so excited to try this. Oh my God, it smells so good. I hope it's good for me. And the last thing in here is from Olay Total Effects Whips, and this is an ultimate nourishment without weight active moisturizer. And it says it fights early signs of aging, and it's light as air finish. So it's a very light moisturizer. Okay, so this is it right here. That's what it looks like. It definitely looks like a whip like a cream that's been whipped. And it smells good too. And then it says it delivers 7 benefits in one, replenishes moisture, even skin tone, enhances brightness, smoothes fine lines, minimizes pores, restores firmness, and reduces dark spots. So that's great. This box was awesome, guys. For $7, awesome box. Now let's check the October Eyes box, which is this one right here. So when you open this one up, it says hello bright eyes, and it also has a $3 off coupon, which is obviously off of a beauty purchase, but it is awesome because that pays already for almost half of your box. And then this one says hello bright eyes, feeling tired? What a drag. Looking at two? Ditto. Luckily, a few hero products are all it takes to make you look beautifully bright and doe-eyed without even having to hit snooze. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll make your peepers pop like never before. Right. So first thing in here is from CoverGirl, and this is a liquid liner. Whoops. In black. Next thing in here is an Acure Welcome to Skin Wellness Radically Rejuvenating Under Eye Hydro Gels. And these are like those little masks that go right on your under eyes. The next thing in here is from Bausch & Lomb, and these are Lumify Ophthalmic Solution Redness Reliever Eye Drops, and it says it works in 1 minute and lasts up to 8 hours. I like this, but since I use contacts, I can't use this. I'll probably give it to my husband. And the next thing in here I do like, this is a brush from Sonia Kashuk, and it's a brow line and fill brush with spoolie. This is real pretty. I like it. For eyebrow gels, powders, and pomades. And then the last thing in here is from Lash Sensational, well, from Maybelline, and it's the Lash Sensational Very Black Mascara. And let me show you what that wand looks like. It's small, but it has like a little curve, which a lot of people love. And that is all for the October Eyes box. Which box did I like more? I liked the general beauty box a lot more than the Eyes box, but I did love getting this brush from Sonia Kashuk in the Eyes box. So, all right, guys, those are the Target beauty boxes. If you're interested, I'll probably link down below where you can get them. They probably won't be available anymore because they go quickly, like they fly. So they probably won't be available anymore, but keep an eye out, and you know, Target will email you like when they come out. They'll let you know like the beauty boxes are out, you know, come get them or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye, my loves.